Browne Falls. Browne Falls is a waterfall above Doubtful Sound, located in Fiordland National Park, New Zealand, with height of 2,744 feet, is the world's 10th highest waterfalls. Their source is a tarn called Lake Browne, which when full, overflows down the side of the mountain face. James Bruce Falls. The highest measured waterfalls in the continent of North America and 9th tallest in the world, located in Princess Louisa Marine Provincial Park in British Columbia, Canada. It stems from a small snowfield and cascades 2,755 feet down to Princess Louisa Inlet. Pu'uka'oku Falls. Pu'uka'oku Falls is a waterfall in Hawaii, the highest in the United States and 8th in the world. It consists of several jumps. In total, the waterfall measuring 2,756 feet high. Balåifossen. Located in Hordaland, Norway, Balåifossen has a total drop of 2,788 feet and is in accordance with the World Waterfall Database, therefore the second highest waterfalls in Norway and Europe, and the 7th highest waterfalls in the world. Vinnufossen. Located in east of the village of Sundalsør in the municipality of Sundal in Møre og Romsdal County, Norway, Vinnufossen is the tallest waterfall in Europe and the 6th tallest in the world with height 2,822 feet. The falls are part of the river Vinnu, which flows down from the Vinnufossen mountain, and it is fed from the Vinnufossen glacier. Catarata Yumbilla. Situated in Peru, Amazonas region, the Yumbilla Falls is the world's 5th tallest waterfall. Although the waterfall is magnificent due to its height, the volume of water is not large. The height of falls is 2,938 feet. Olo'upena Falls. Located in the northeastern part of Hawaiian island of Molokai, Olo'upena Falls is considered to be the 4th highest waterfalls in the world with height of 2,953 feet. Cataratas Lustres Hermanas. This waterfall doesn't have a particularly large drainage, but there's no denying the falls are tall. Google Earth elevation profiles support the estimate of height as being 3,000 feet. Tugela Falls. Tugela Falls is the world's 2nd highest waterfalls. The total drop in 5 leaping falls is 3,110 feet. They are located in the Drakensberg in the Royal Natal National Park in KwaZulu-Natal Province, Republic of South Africa. They are easily viewed after heavy rain from the main travel road into the park, glistening from the reflection of the late afternoon sun. Angel Falls. Angel Falls is a waterfall in Venezuela. It is the world's highest uninterrupted waterfall, with a height of 3,212 feet and a plunge of 2,648 feet. The waterfall drops over the edge of the Ollantaytambo mountain in the Canaima National Park in the Grand Sabana region of Bolívar State.